Um, I'm going to show you something. If you have any negative thoughts or comments, hold them for now. Um, yeah, I don't know what happened. Well, see for yourself.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, hell no! To the no, no, no. Hell to the no. Hell to the no. To the no, no, no.
See, see, what was in my head and what transpired are definitely two different things.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
However, I think this might work pretty good. The turbo is real. I have, I got an electric motor. You don't know what kind of electric motor I have, okay? You don't even pretend you know what kind of motor I got. Okay. Um, yeah. I got some cleaning to do. But what? Huh? Holy shit! This was fun, actually. It's strong. Actually, I don't even have it all bolted down yet, and the belt is too long. So more to come. Oh shit! Oh, and there's gonna be a scoop even higher. Mm-hmm. Oh.